Hey guys, Adam here at DirectionTrader.com. Let's go over today's markets and talk about what we've seen and what is my anticipation moving forward. Well, obviously we had a nice up day. Basically, we opened up and headed north the entire day. No pullback, no real even flicker of trading to the downside. Nothing that would constitute any type of selling opportunities of any kind. So definitely opened up here and pushed higher right at the open here. Now, what I want to pay close attention to is the daily chart. We have not been able to break up above them 64s. We haven't broken any daily resistance. All we did was peek our head above the previous day's highs as of today, and that's it. So going into tomorrow, guys, as repetitive as this sounds, I'm going to watch today's highs, which is possibly going to be these 59s. Maybe if they get a little bit of a surge here into the last 10 minutes of the close, maybe they'll be up there near 60, 61. But needless to say here, they're right here at this daily high. Now, if we can open up and get above these 63, 64s tomorrow, which is the daily swing highs, then I'll start looking long. Other than that, guys, I'm going to treat this just the same as it's been ever since the 1st of November. We started back in here. Every time we get up in this range, we're looking for selling opportunities. Every time we get down in this range, looking for buying opportunities, and it's all the same. So today is just kind of a day to look at the daily charts, understand what's going on. We didn't have one of them days that's just absolutely ridiculous strong. You see here we're up, 32 points on the S&P. For the most part, the net issues down here, something we watch quite a bit, is pretty much hung around that 1,1400 range. We never got up to that like plus 1,800 where you felt like there's total domination and there's nothing but crazy buying into into the market moving forward. So I don't yet have that vibe. So it's almost like the market's kind of just leaking its way up and just waiting to roll over. Now, anything besides a push above these 63, 64s, I am 100% just looking for shorting opportunities in the indexes going into tomorrow, Friday's trading activity. So, going to be very, very disciplined not to get too crazy aggressive here to the long side unless we break above that resistance. Then we'll pop up there and look to test them 90s. Which is them really high levels. But I'm looking for this market to fade because we haven't had a crazy bullish run. It's kind of like just leaking its way higher. There's no aggressive buying, nothing really to concern me, to be honest with you. So at this point, I'm just seeing this thing possibly just leak higher into some resistance, and then any type of rollover that we see, I'm going to look to short tomorrow. So as far as the S&P and the indexes go, I am going to look to short tomorrow. And then here on crude, I got an email a minute ago about crude. What to do now? We originally, in an option program, we tried to short Tuesday night. Never got a fill. Nice drop. I'm still seeing these 55.5 to 56 as resistance. So if you any type of selling that you see in crude going into tomorrow, I would go ahead and look to short it on down towards these 44s where they originally came from. And then lastly, here in the gold market, we're still pinched in here. As you see, we've had these moving averages coming, or not, these trend lines coming through here for a long time now. And you can see today's trading, we really didn't do much. We're just kind of stuck here. So going into tomorrow, you can see we popped up here, and we're just consolidating. Is this a consolidation waiting to push higher? Or is this a consolidation to come right back down towards the lower end of this channel? It's something we talk about pretty much every day on this daily recap. So some very interesting markets right now, guys, and it's been one of the most quiet weeks we've had in the trading room since early last summer. So a lot of anticipation, a lot of stuff building up right now. If you've been following us on our recent videos, we've covered a lot of stuff on what we see moving forward in the future, but from today's video, it's kind of just an update at this point. I'm not going too far into depth. Tomorrow, I will bring a really big outlook. Going into the weekend, I'll bring an outlook going into next week, but be very careful here, especially on the indexes. If you can start to get some selling, any type of increase in volume to the short side, I'm going to be involved here tomorrow. So I am looking to get actively trading tomorrow, even though it's been so quiet here in the trading room this week. I'm looking to get active if we can start to see some selling or a pop above them 64s. So that's it, guys. More of an update today. Not really a lot of information. Just coming to you, updating you on what's going on in my mind. But if you have any questions, get a hold of me. Adam at directiontrader.com. If not, you can leave a comment below here. I will respond to that. So get a hold of me if you need to. If not, thanks for watching and look forward to tomorrow's video. Have a good day.